Good morning students. Today we see English Stencil Practice Book Class 4. 5.2 Conjunctions. What are the conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join two words, two small sentences. They may join parts of sentences, clauses or sentences. Conjunction are the words that join two sentences, two small parts of the sentence or two clauses or two words. For example, I had bread and butter for my breakfast. Here we find out and is the conjunction. It joins bread and butter, the two words. In the next example, I had my breakfast and went out to play. Here we find out two small sentences are joined the and conjunction. I had my breakfast is the one sentence and I went out to play is the another sentence. And it joined the two sentences here. In the third sentence, she ate the fruits but he drank the juice. But is also the conjunction. It coordinates the sentence. Coordinating conjunctions joins words, clauses and sentences of equal rank. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions are called coordinators. In this lesson we find out 7 coordinators or 7 conjunctions. Which are they? They are for, and, nor, but, or, yet and so. The first letter of these 7 conjunctions or coordinators, it's make fanboys. F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet and S stands for so. When we use for expresses causes or reasons. One part causes another. For example, I work hard for I wanted to do my best. And joins to show something common in the rest of the sentences. For example, she and I went to the market. Nor is the third coordinator. Nor is one of the ways to express second part of the sentence is negative. For example, she did not eat for 2 days, nor did she sleep. The next coordinator is but. But shows the opposites. For example, I work hard but I did not succeed. Here we find out but is the coordinator or conjunction. Or expresses alternatives. For example, we can eat apples or oranges. Or is the coordinator we use here. The next coordinator is yet. Yet expresses unexpected outcomes. For example, he worked hard, yet he failed. He worked hard, yet he failed. So we use here yet, the coordinator. And the last coordinator or conjunction is so. So expresses purpose. The second part happens because of the first. Example, I work hard so I stood first. So is used here. We see in the question how we use fan voice. Fill in the blanks using fan voice. First sentence, either you finish the English project or be ready to be punished. Here we find out or is used there. Or is the coordinator or conjunction. In the second sentence, I was very tired after a long day, but I completed my homework before going to bed. But is here, but is the conjunction we use here. In the third sentence, I forgot to take my umbrella with me, so I got wet in the rains. I forgot to take my umbrella, so I got wet in the rains. We use here so. So is the conjunction or fan voice. Yes. I peeled the vegetables and my mother chopped them. We use here and. A stands for and. There were some injured players in our team, yet we won the match easily. We use here yet, the conjunction or the coordinator stands for one. Benny got the job, for he was only the candidate. For, F indicates for is the conjunction. Thank you.